Today maths class paper 2 in the 8th chapter similar triangles. In the similar triangles exercise 8.4. Before start the exercise, just you have to discuss previous classes. In this class, similar triangles for major two concepts. One is Thales theorem, one is Pythagoras theorem. In this exercise, all depend on Pythagoras theorem. Just you have to statement you have to listen. Pythagoras theorem. In a right angle triangle, hypotenuse square equal to base square plus height square. Now we have to discuss about in the exercise 8.4. The first problem, first you have to see. Prove that the sum of the squares of the sides of a rhombus is equal to the sum of the squares of its diagonals. Now you have to solution. In that major three steps given to prove. Given. What is there in the question for? Rhombus. So in rhombus ABCD. What is the properties of rhombus? All sides are equal. So AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to DA. To prove. What is there in the proof? Prove that the sum of the squares of the sides of a rhombus. In rhombus, how many sides? 4 sides. You have to consider A, B, C, D rhombus. AB one side, another side BC, another side CD, another side DA. In the question, what is there? Sum means addition. Squares of sides means AB square plus BC square plus CD square plus DA square is equal to the sum of the squares of its diagonals. First you have to see diagonals. AC one diagonal, BD one diagonal. Square means AC square, BD square. Sum of its means addition. So it is equal to AC square plus BD square. Now you have to prove. See here the properties of rhombus. Diagonals of rhombus are perpendicularly bisect each other at O. You have to see in the at O 90 degrees. So AO equal to OC, OA equal to OC. Now you have to consider this bisect means OA equal to this total length by half. So AC by 2. Same as well as OD equal to OB. So OB equal to OD. OD equal to total length BD by 2. Now you have to see AOD. Which type of triangle? Right angle triangle. At O 90 degrees. Right angle triangle by using which theorem? Pythagoras theorem. So hypotenuse square equal to base square plus height square. And the which is hypotenuse? AD square equal to base OD and height OA square. So OA square plus OD square written since Pythagoras theorem. Now you have to see AD square as it is written. A square. OA square means in that OA equal to AC by 2. AC by 2 square as is written. OD equal to BD by 2 and square as is written. Now AD square equal to AC square by 2 square means 4 plus BD square 2 square means 4. Now AD square denominators same 4. So 4 as is written. AC square plus BD square as is written. Now you have to do cross multiplication. 4 into AD square equal to AC square plus BD square. Now 4 AD square means AD square how many times there? 4 times. So AD square plus AD square plus AD square plus AD square. How many times? 4 times. Now right side what is there? AC square plus BD square as written. What is the proof? AB square plus BC square plus CD square plus DA square we want required. So but here all AD square only there. But one condition is there. All sides are equal. So we can consider AD in the replace of AB square, AD replace of BC square, AD replace of CD square, AD replace of DA square written equal to RHS as it is written AC square plus BD square. So LHS equal to RHS. What is the proof? AB square plus BC square plus CD square plus DA square equal to AC square plus BD square. Hence proved. Second question. ABC is a right angled at B. Let D and E are any points on AB and BC respectively. Prove that AE square plus CD square equal to AC square plus DE square. Now same, first one given, to prove. First given in the question for right angle triangle is there. Already question for I have to given diagram. So we can see diagram. ABC one triangle is there, another one triangle ABE one right angle triangle is there, another one DBC one right angle triangle is there, another one DBE right angle triangle is there. Now we have to see given in a triangle ABC angle B equal to 90. So DE on points AB and BC. Next, to prove in the question for what is there, AE square plus CD square equal to AC square plus DE square. Prove. We want required LHS AE square and CD square. AE which side is there? This side is there. So which type of considered triangle? ABE considered triangle. Next we want required CD square. CD means which type of triangle is there? DBE triangle. So first you have to consider AE means triangle ABE. So angle B equal to 90, ABE. So by using Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square equal to base square plus height square. So AE square equal to, this is the AB square plus BE square. This is the first equation. Next one, another what triangle? CD we want required. CD required means CD which their triangle DBC. So triangle DBC, angle DBC equal to 90. So same we can apply Pythagoras theorem. DC square equal to DB square plus BC square. This is the by using Pythagoras theorem. This is second equation. Now in the LHS, AE square plus CD square is there. First equation for AE square there, second equation for DC square is there. So we want required adding 1 and 2. So LHS AE square plus DC square as is written. RHS for AB square plus BE square. Next to DB square plus BC square. Now you have to see AE square plus DC square as is written. Now AB square in the similar BC here to written. BE square as is written. Here DB square then as is written. This is for equation number 3. Now we have to see LHS in that to prove for same as is there. But here AC square DE square is there. So in triangle AC square which like came triangle ABC, AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. So in triangle ABC equal to AC square plus AB square plus BC square. Another one triangle in triangle DBE which is hypotenuse DE square. So DE square equal to BE square plus DB square. From equation 3, AE square plus DC square as written. AB square plus BC square, what is the value? AC square as written. Next, BE square plus DB square. BE square plus DB square equal to DE square as is there. To prove what is there, AE square plus CD or DC square equal to AC square plus DE square. Came or not? Came. So hence proved.